Hi friends, good evening and a very warm welcome to all of you on this occasion of Deepavali. So as we all know that Diwali is a festival of lights and it is celebrated everywhere with lots of pomp and show and with lots of happiness all over the world. But here in this video, I would like to share some more ideas to celebrate Diwali in a different way. We can celebrate Diwali with lots of happiness and lots of enthusiasm with these ways also. These ways are like we can help people, we can help them in their work, we can help them to stand in their lives. You know that there are many people, those who are struggling in their lives, and in this pandemic, many of them have lost their jobs. So we can help them to get back to their life, and we can help them to bring their life on the right track. We can share our knowledge, we can share our ideas, we can help them to study, we can help them to stand again in their life, and we can also share their sorrows. That is one of the best things in life, if you share someone's sorrows. So these are the ways to celebrate Diwali, and you can also bring smile on someone's face. So if you help people, if you share your knowledge, if you share your wealth, if you share your wisdom, and if you bring prosperity amongst your family members or amongst your locality or your community, that would be a great way to celebrate Diwali. So sometimes, or in our life, we have to change the way we celebrate Diwali. So I hope you understand this message of Diwali, and you will try to celebrate Diwali with these ways also. With this message, wish you a happiest Diwali and prosperous New Year to all of you. May this Diwali bring lots of smile on your face and bring lots of enlightenment in your life, and I hope you will enjoy your life and become a successful person, and connect with us to share enhance your knowledge with Easy English channel. Thanks a lot, and once again wish you a very happy Diwali. Thank you very much.